Oh, what an adventure! Get lost with Google Maps. Okay, so we got the winch leads and everything in over there. We're leaving the door open with the inverter in it. The cover's not done up on that Victron thing. Got to make a little boost buck device that takes 12 volts down to 5 volts. So I've got all the lights working. That big 250 amp circuit breaker over there is for the winch cable down the back, but that's so we can turn it off when it's in the off position now. That's so it's not live out there if we don't need it to be. And everything's working. Water pumps working, heaters, hot water systems working. Everything's working, but we'll get it all together. Just got to pack up all my tools for today because we're done. Then we got to tidy up all the wires, communications wires, all this clump of wires that disappear down here. They've all got to be tied up and secured. Everything's got to be made neat. I've got all my loops, all my working loops down in that corner down there, and that's pretty good. The solar's already in and wired and connected. Basically, people, it's finished, except for the work I've got to do on that leaks distributor to make the lights work. There is no way, there is no reason why they can't already bring them out with a little boost buck in them, so you don't need to buy all the expensive gear to get the little lights working. Shame on you, Victron. I guess you work on the ladder system, eh? You sell one bit and then you sell the bit to make it work for three times as much as the bit you just bought, and then you sell the next bit for 4 times as much. It's all about climbing that ladder in profits, eh, Victron? Anyway, that's it, people. It's neat, it's tidy, and it will be even neater once we tie all the wiring up and get it all back to where it was. Like I say, we didn't touch the electrical here, so I don't have to worry about that. It's still ground to the chassis, and there's just enough room when the door's shut to open these to get to the RCD and the turn the solar and the batteries on over there for the inverter and the hot water service. Okay, everyone, I hope you enjoy this video. Both Siggy and I worked hard on this project. We'll bring you back when it's all put back together and we're in the bush doing some field testing of the battery and my work, and see how it holds up. Keep safe, everyone. Bye for now.